and welcome back to my channel, and good morning from Split, Croatia. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys a what I eat in a day Croatia edition. I feel like every time when you visit a new city, it can be a little bit challenging to navigate the grocery store system. So today I'm gonna quickly talk to you guys through what grocery stores you guys should know about and what I've been eating recently. In Split, at least, in Croatia, there is Tommy, which is like the general supermarket, which you can find on every other block. There's some bigger ones and others, and at the bigger one you guys can find everything from soy sauce, which I was really happy to find. If you're more plant-based like I am, it can be a little bit hard to find vegan-based options though. So for that I would go to a bio store. They have one right in the center of Split, and this one is where you want to go for those spices that you can't find at Tommy. They have tofu, any vegan stuff that you're looking for. And the third grocery store that you should know about is Lidl. If you guys live in Europe, you guys probably have heard of Lidl. It's basically like a budget-friendly grocery store, which is right in my alley, and they have a lot of the necessities that you would need as well. Forgot to mention one other store, and that would be the DM, which is like a German grocery slash body care store. The one that we found was right next to the Tommy that we went to, and they have everything from shampoo, makeup, and they also have some other bio options of some of the spreads that we got, as well as some pasta and things. I feel like I should put a disclaimer out there. What I eat today is not what I eat every day. Sometimes I eat more, sometimes I eat less. I do eat a more plant-based diet. Sometimes in Europe I will have dairy, which I will show you guys in a second. And although I don't really eat fish and meat that often, I try to leave that as like a treat. Today I am gonna eat salmon because we bought it, and so I am going to cook it. So this is an overview of everything that we got. We tried to limit our plastic. We weren't perfect, but this is what we could do. Alright guys, I'm gonna put these grocery items back in the bag and in the fridge, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make for breakfast because I have been low-key starving myself all morning for this video. So let's get started. Hello, I just made my breakfast. I decided to go with my OG oatmeal, which I know can get really boring sometimes, so I try to spice it up. So I added some nougat cream to sweeten it up, and then I always use banana as a natural sweetener, and now it looks so good and tasty as like a morning sweet treat. And I also have my bread with spreads, and I already ate like most of them. If I had tea, I would drink that, but we kind of ran out, so now I'm just gonna enjoy my breakfast, and I will see you guys at lunch. Oh, it's cold. Let me know when. You're too far. Hey everyone, it is now late lunchtime. I did a workout earlier after getting some work done, and then I met up with Christian at the beach. I just showered and threw on my pajamas for the evening, and now we're gonna go make some salmon. I haven't prepped anything yet, so let's go to the kitchen. This paper?
Yeah.
Okay.
You need scissors.
You just need scissors?
Scissors.
Alright, Alright, so I'm currently in the process of making the salmon marinade for this feasting at home salmon recipe, and the recipe calls for 2 to 3 garlic cloves, a tablespoon of fresh thyme. I don't have fresh thyme, but I have regular dry thyme. We also need some mustard, which I got from Little, and then just some olive oil, salt, and pepper. And I'm just gonna mix it all in here and then throw it on the salmon.
This is how you do it. Let your man cut the sweet potato.
Why is it so abstract shaped? Yeah, so we have just prepped the salmon and the sweet potato, and now we're gonna go put it on the grill. So while the potatoes are still cooking, I'm gonna quickly make some super simple miso soup. I don't have all of the ingredients for it, but I do have some miso paste and some mushrooms I'm gonna try to like quickly cook up. Throw in the mushrooms as well as the vegetable broth, and now I'm gonna go put in the sweet white miso that I got at Bio and Bio. I just added the kale into the miso soup. This is not like traditional miso soup by any means, but I'm just working with what I got. Our potatoes are ready. They're nice and sizzling. And then late lunch is served. Current situation right now. Guys, this miso is like the perfect soup to have after jumping into some really cold water. Definitely warming us up, and now we're lazily eating out of the pan. How is it, Christian? Alright guys, so this is gonna be a little bit of a trek to make. The recipe calls for 1 small butternut squash. We bought a big one, and the only knives we have to cut it are some really dull kitchen knives. So Christian is using his manpower to like shave the butternut squash before we soften it on the grill outside. I know this may not seem like a realistic day in my life in terms of eating when I'm trying something new, but to be honest, like I've been trying a lot of new stuff recently, and this is just an example of that. Also, lasagna just sounds so good right now, and I've always wanted to learn how to make my own. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Christian is running to the market because we accidentally ate all of our mushrooms, so he's gonna go on a quick mushroom run for me. There's a market like right next door to where we live right now. So I have finished prepping the butternut squash, and now I am going to bring it outside to bake. Turn it up a little bit. Voila. 20 to 30 minutes max. Christian just came back with the ingredients. That was so fast. Ricotta. That is not.
That's the ricola.
That's ricotta. It's okay. So Christian is layering the lasagna, and I am currently making the top cheesy bechamel sauce. So I just used the remainder of the mozzarella and the parmesan, and I added a little bit of flour as well as some oat milk so that it's nice and creamy. And now I'm going to add a little bit of salt, pepper, and some nutmeg. And this is basically going to be what's going to be on top of the lasagna. Lasagna is ready. It smells so good. Is it crispy? Guys, I just had a bite of the lasagna. You guys can't see it right now, and I can't get the camera to focus, but overall it's pretty good because it's butternut based and not meat based. It does taste different than regular lasagna, but it's still super fire. And the spice mulled wine is really delicious. And now we're gonna go finish up our dinner. That concludes my what I eat in a day video. Obviously today was kind of a treat, more with the salmon and the cheese, which I normally wouldn't have every day. We just decided to make lasagna today because we were feeling like it. I guess it was a little bit more work than usual, but we had a lot of fun experimenting with some new recipes, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the content, and happy eating! Bye! Happy eating. Hey everyone, editing Alyssa here. I'm realizing now that this was a pretty unrealistic day in my life eating. I guess I was just in a phase of experimenting with food at the time, but I hope that you guys enjoyed the video regardless. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.